Hi, my name is Yan Chao. I'm running for the CHAP director. Throughout my years in real estate, I've learned that true success isn't just about sales. It's about professionalism, ethics, and integrity. These values define how we serve our clients, and how we collaborate with our colleagues, and how the public sees our profession. As a brokerage manager, I work every day to guide realtors towards ethical excellence, helping them navigate complex transactions, compliance, and client care while maintaining a professionalism in every step. I have the privilege of serving on CHAP's Government Relations Committee and the Young Professional Network, where I work with talented realtors who share a common goal: to elevate professional standards and create a more supportive, collaborative environment for members. I'm also a fellow of the Real Estate Institute, which reflects my ongoing commitment to education and professional development. And in 2022, I was honored to receive the Queen Elizabeth II Platinum Jubilee Award for Community Service, a reminder that leadership begins with service and integrity. I believe strong leadership means listening, guiding, and serving with integrity. Together, we can strengthen our profession and build a community that reflects the high standards of professionalism. I'm Yan Chao. I will be honored to earn your trust and your vote.